Question 1 on the homework, solving by the quadratic formula, and here are some things you always need to do. Identify A, B, and C. So A is 2, B is always the coefficient of x, so -3, and C is the number that we call the constant because it's not attached to an x, so C is -5. And for right now, until you master this, I would always write out what the quadratic formula is. X is the opposite of b, plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So now let's plug in what we know. X is going to be the opposite of -3, so +3, plus or minus the square root of -3 squared is 9, minus 4 times 2 times -5, and the whole thing, draw a big long bar for your fraction, is over 2 times a, so 4. I'm going to take my calculator, and I'm going to do what I have right here. So I'm just going to type in 9 minus 4 times 2 times -3 gives me that. Sorry, -5. Let's try that again. -5 gives me 49, which is a whole lot nicer. So really, in here, I have 3 plus or minus the square root of 49 over 4. And I know the square root of 49 is 7. So our answers are 2. 3 plus 7 all over 4, and 3 minus 7 all over 4. So this becomes 10 over 4, which is 2.5. And this becomes -4 divided by 4, which is -1. So those are our two answers.